Hi everyone! So I wanted to do a review on hair I purchased back in March. This is Indian Beach Wave from Glamtextures. And when I purchased this hair, I had no intentions of doing a review on it, but I've received so many compliments on my wig unit, so I wanted to let you guys know what I'm wearing and how I like the hair so far. Okay, so my initial thoughts of the hair. The hair does have a thickness to it because it is raw hair, but it's still extremely smooth and bouncy. You do get long bundle lengths. I actually have enough hair left for a partial sew-in with minimal leave-out, and I did not receive any shedding during my initial feel of the hair. The hair took really well to bleach. I did not receive any extreme amount of shedding during the bleaching process, but I do receive maybe 1 or 2 strands of shedding every other week or so, and the texture of the hair remained the same. So that wraps up my review on the hair. Leave a comment if you would like additional information on my experience, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe. Bye!